End of Jason. Finally, uThandiswa ukwazile ke ukubulala isitha sakhe seminyaka. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoking Mirrors from the 23rd, 27th of March 2026 on Monday. Jason prepares a final secret mission before his wedding to Martha, who asks Philile to be matron of honor. Mandla feels guilty yet pleased when asked to officiate, while Tim's money saving plan backfires on Tuesday. Mandla wrestles with guilty. Martha plans the wedding. Petunia seeks separation from Sakile. Tiny confront Tim and Jason arm himself to attack Zulethu and Thandiswa on Wednesday. Jason's attack is thwarted, leading to a battle where Thandiswa kills him. Fanyana starts a musical job. Mandla seeks to ease his guilty over Amos, and Tim cannot forgive Nowetemba despite Tiny's intervention on Thursday. Mother readies for her wedding an hour. Jason is dead. Thandiswa hands to cope with his death. Mandla struggle with guilty over Amos. Tiny and Tim celebrate their future, and Ngcuka mourn Jason on Friday. Martha mourns Jason. Thandiswa stays unsympathetic. Sakile and Petunia reunite. Ami's body is found, and Tim and Nowetemba move forward. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.